Low-key, River annoys the frick out of me. No, listen up here.
No, low-key.
Low-key. Okay, you talk, I'll say it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Low-key. I think it's the point in time where it's time to buy a lift because this ain't cutting it, Cheryl. Wait, what name am I supposed to use?
Billy?
Karen!
Oh, Karen.
I'm just get a 10 or so.
Oh my god, you're retarded.
Well, that wasn't the move. My camera's wet.
Yeah, I know.
So you think you can skate?
Yeah.
Cause you can't. You guys know we visited the salt flats last video, so for this video, can you please not skate in the background? I'm trying to explain to my boys what's going on. We definitely need to clean the car. There is salt galore. I actually went and sprayed it off that night. I got a lot of it off, but over the night of all the water running off, all the salt drying, this is what I'm left with. Yes, caked. Most of it is off, but there is some certain spots that did retain it. For instance, right here too, the water was dripping off, sprayed up onto the back. So what I have done, I have put my car on some jack stands so then we can take the power sprayer and power spray underneath the car. This is pretty much gonna be like a how-to clean an undercarriage, I guess. This is what it's pretty much what it's gonna come down to. So bro, you gotta stop skating.
I forgot how.
Let's get on with this video. Turn on the water. What were you thinking? Get your mind out of the gutter. Guys, after looking underneath the car, really not too much salt. There's a little bit right here. A little on the backside of my wheel. Seems like I got most of it off, but there is a few spots, you know, through the drivetrain. A little bit on the exhaust. Other than that, I got it pretty clean, but it's still good to just make sure you get it all off because salt is not the move for vehicles whatsoever.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Do you see that?
Is there hella salt? Bro, no, dude, that's my air wash fluid container.
No, it's white.
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Where?
Do you not see that? It looks like snow.
Oh, yeah, bro, we gotta get that out.
Yeah, we gotta take this off.
Guys, I'm taking off each canard on each side and the front piece of the body kit because there's so much salt. Honestly, more than I thought. I thought I got a lot of it, but really, I'm gonna have to deep clean this car for probably 3 days to get it all out. Let's start by taking off the canard and the front body kit and see what we got going. Oh god, dude, there's a lot of salt. Look how much salt is. Oh my gosh.
That's a lot.
I'm so glad I found that. This being fiberglass and that being plastic, nothing, no rust, but it'd eat the paint. That all needs to come off. I just quickly decided I'm going to spray off the car, spray underneath, get everything cleaned before we start digging into the front bumper because honestly, guys, I looked up in there and the front bumper needs to come off. Also, noticing my fog light wiring housing looks a little iffy, so I need to dig into that. Sophie's gonna start vacuuming the interior, so, you know.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang for her sister, let's go. There's some clips on the bottom side of the bumper that we need to take off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower the back, raise up the front. That will give me access to the clips to take off the bumper, as well as being able to spray underneath the car for the front end. I got the back really well with the power sprayer, so now we can do the underneath the front, where there's a lot going on with salt underneath that.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, bumper's coming off. Way too much salt.
Oh.
Now you can see what I was saying about my fog light, and looks like we are disconnected there. Oh, it got pulled out. That really sucks. Possibly could be rewired. That's gonna be a mess, dude. Might just have to get new fog lights. Honestly, I suck at wiring, and what I'm thinking is eventually I want to get Subi speed headlights, so that would fix that whole problem, and we wouldn't even have to worry about that. Sophie's working on the interior. She's absolutely killing it. Say Subi gang for life or what?
Subi gang for life.
Or what?
Or what?
Tomorrow I plan on heading over to the bolt store. We went there a few vlogs ago. My hardware just came in for the body kit. Basically what I got was just hardware, but longer. I think I'm just gonna run it with no bumper for right now because the front is gonna be so much easier to fix with the front bumper pulled off. I'm gonna be able to really work this riv nut and pull it closer to the body. Yo, the car looks sick from here. No bumper gang. No bumper gang. Hey, Soph. Yeah. Are you hungry? Yeah. Want to get some food? Yeah. I knew it. Boom. We're gonna be driving the Subi bumperless, okay? So this is, oh my gosh, dude. And I sprayed it off, and I got the car wet, sun dried it, water spots everywhere. It looks worse than when I started, but it's okay.
Oh my God.
I'm actually gonna be able to pull out of the driveway.
For the first time.
Confident as fuck. All right, there's. Woo!
Close one.
Wow. All right, there's a lot of salt in the driveway, bro. We're gonna have to clean that up. We're ready to go. The driveway is clean, somewhat. That took forever, and there's some salt that's still stuck. But anyways, the car is looking actually pretty dope without the bumper. I think it's pretty sick. Probably should not cruise around with the bumper not on for too long. Either way, let's head out. Go drive the Subi. Probably should tuck these fog light cables in, because that would not be good to have them dragging whatsoever. This one's hanging. I didn't like that. Perfect. It's super clean in here.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you. I'm really pumped. Ugh. That was really ugly. I'm sorry.
We are driving with no bumper right now, by the way. Woo!
Why does it sound better?
Because there's no bumper. Maximum airflow right now. I'm getting the coldest air possible. Honestly, this is probably how it should be, but obviously you can't make a car look good without a bumper, so they've designed, you know, bumpers. I passed like 3 Subis on the way here. It was kind of embarrassing not having a bumper, but I did the Subi wave, so I think they understood where I was coming from and what was kind of going on. I think they just knew. Hey, sick car, bro.
Hey, thanks, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Yeah, except for I just took off my bumper. This is Rumpy Grill. Best place ever. We love coming here because it's like a Hawaiian grill. Love it.
Rice balls are so good.
Teriyaki noodle, actually. Thank you. All right, you cool to jump out and film me? Check out the Evo. Did you see it? It was dope because the Evo pulled up, I gave him the piece, and he gave me the piece back. So.
And guess what?
What?
He didn't have a bumper.
And, no, yeah, he did.
No, he didn't.
Did he not?
No, he didn't. That's why I thought you were like, yo.
No, he had a bumper, bro.
No, he didn't.
Oh, well, that's crazy. That's dope. Either way, that just shows you all car homies are all homies. We're all one. You feel?
And to hear the batteries in the
Everybody
back.
loves everybody. In the car scene, that's just how it is. That's how it should be. What do you? Okay, get in. Get in! Guys, my camera just died. Battery's dead, shot, done for. Put it on the charger, got a new one. Now, we are back to my house. I'ma eat some food. Rumpy Grill is fire. Remember that. Also, you need to write down. Don't ever take your car to the soft flats or you're gonna regret it. All right, see you tomorrow. Peace.